Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can move a folder inside your workspace in Lovable AI. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your account on Lovable AI. And here to the left guys, expand the all projects feature, and here you see your projects organized in folders. So if you'd like to move the given folder, for example, to a new section, simply click into these three dots here, select Move Folder, and from here, guys, select a parent folder. Or simply select another one to move it to there. So let me move it to that example folder. And now this folder has become a subfolder or sub-project of that one. But you can do this also by clicking into it and by moving it, for example, to this split view here. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.